The Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler with lid and straw is a versatile and reliable hydration solution. This tumbler is designed to keep beverages at their optimal temperature for extended periods, whether you are enjoying water, iced tea, or coffee. Its double-wall vacuum insulation technology ensures that cold drinks stay cold for up to 11 hours and hot drinks remain hot for up to 7 hours. This feature is particularly useful for those with busy schedules who need their drinks to maintain the desired temperature throughout the day. A key feature of the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is its durable stainless steel construction, which offers excellent resistance to wear and tear. The tumbler is designed to be both practical and stylish, with a sleek finish that is easy to clean and resistant to staining. The included lid and straw add to its, making it spill-resistant and ideal for on-the-go use. The lid also features a rotating cover with 3 positions, a straw opening, a wide mouth for chugging, and a full cover top for added protection. This innovative design enhances the user experience by providing flexibility and ease of use. Moreover, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 prioritizes sustainability and health. The materials used are BPA-free, ensuring that no harmful chemicals leach into your beverages. Its reusable design promotes an eco-friendly lifestyle by reducing the need for single-use plastic bottles. In summary, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler is an exceptional choice for those seeking a durable, versatile, and environmentally conscious drinking vessel. Its advanced insulation, user-friendly features, and sustainable design make it a standout product in its category.